Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in the last couple of years, HubSpot has made a couple of changes to how the deal index page looks, or for that matter, even the contacts and the company index page. But what I see a lot of businesses not using or implementing is configuring the deal index page as per their business requirements or as per how they want to have a look at it, like the most important data points which matter to them, configuring the index page as per that. And that's what I'm going to show you in this particular video. So if you see, this is a page which has all the demo deals, and I'm just going to show you how we can configure this deal index page as per your business use case. So to start off with, there are a couple of views which HubSpot has added. When it started off, it was just the table view, which has always been like a default view. And very recently, they've added the board view, the report view, the canned view, the calendar view. So the board view is something which I see a lot of businesses doing, and rightly so, because it gives you a board eye view of all of your deals with the deal stages. Now, this is something which is by default and a lot of businesses use. But what a lot of people do not know is that you can also change this particular view. So for example, this is as per the deal stages. Now, if for example, I want to have a look at all of my deals in terms of the state they are from, I click on state. So if you see, yeah, this data has deal states. So if you see, all of the deals have been arranged in terms of the states. And I can do it for a lot of other things as well. So for example, is closed one. So it will now arrange it in terms of true or false and a lot of things. So this is the power of this index page. You can literally customize this as per. I can even go to deal owners. And currently, because this is a demo one, it has just 4 which haven't been assigned. But in your case, if you have assigned deals to particular people, the deal owners, the deals will also populate in terms of the deal owner. So this is something which not a lot of businesses use and is like a very handy thing to use. So I'll just move back to the pipeline stage view. Okay. So over here, now if I see these individual deal cards over here, I see there's amount, there's close date, there's create date. And then there are all of these options to preview it, for summary, creating email. Now, even this particular card is something which you can configure. And to do that, if you see, there's this card setup. Again, you need to do the same thing. Go to board view. There's this card setup. Click on edit. Now it will give you the option to either edit it for yourself or for everyone. And this will only happen in case you are a super admin. And if I click on for everyone, it will now give me these 4 options over here. And if I click on properties, so it will give you the option to play around with 4 properties. Now I already have these 4 used up. So what I'll do is I'll just delete this create date. And for example, say if I want to have a look at the billing country. So if you see now, the amount, close date, deal owner, and billing country would be the things which will be shown over here. I'll just click on update over here. If you see at the bottom, there are these 4 options, these quick actions. So for example, I do not want to have a look at the summary. I want to have a look at something else. So what I can do is I'll just hide this particular part, quick action, and say I want to add a create task option over here. So I just do that, and the create task option so comes over here. I click on save. And now if you see, all of these have been updated. So in our example, because not a lot of deals over here have the billing country node, that's the reason why it won't show, because it's empty. But if you see, we made this change to create a task. This one's visible. So that is how easy it is. And that's how you can configure the index page as per your business requirements. Hope you found this useful. Thank you.